Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice tiger just looking at us. Alright, so it's going to be very simple. For the beginning, we're going to draw a simple circle in the middle. Then you can see here it's like a love sign on the top. Just putting another sign. Same thing, something like the opposite of love sign in the bottom. Alright, so you can do a half circle like the upside down here, and you can do another one outside the borders like the parallel. Okay, put three dots, one, two, three, and three here. One, two, three. Okay, and you can see the hairlines. Something looks like the spikes here. The eyes we're going to draw here. Let's do some details. Okay, this is the left side, and another one is going to be here. This is on the right side. Okay, now we are going to draw the ears. So you can see the one circle inside a smaller circle, another one here outside connected with the main body, then another smaller circle. Okay, and you can see another half circle here, and little bit graphical presentations with the black outlines. Awesome. And you can see the main outlines of the page going to be like this. Okay, so this is the texture of the body, texture of the stripes and other textures. You can see just I'm putting those insides which is radially coming in the sides. Okay, looks good, looks good. Okay, awesome. Another one here. All right, so you can see the details finalize here. So all the ears are gone. Now we are going to put some colors. So for the color, let's use the crayon. So this is the crayon colors. We're just putting some colors here, and you can mix it up by using your fingers. Then you can see it's very nicely mixed up here. And for the yellow color, you can put the color here, and again mix it up with the whole surface, so it's getting very nicely visible. You can see obviously. Okay, we're going to put a orange color in the middle. Then we're going to mix it up. Awesome. And yellow color here to the ear, and for the left side and for the right side. Then let's mix it up. So it's getting very wonderful, right? So in the beginning you don't see the main beauty of the drawing, but as long as you progress, the drawings is becoming very nice. Let's put some off-white color, very simple color outside, just to draw the surface very nicely. And again mix up the colors, very soft color, but it defines a very nice texture for the tiger here. Also we are putting the orange color on the top. All right, and yellow color here. Awesome. And little bit yellow here in the middle, just moving around. Okay. Put some soft strokes to the outside borders or to the periphery. Okay. So there's getting the simple strokes for the stripes and the functions of the tiger. Okay. And putting the orange color on this side and also on this side. Again, I mix up the colors and the layers here for the right side and the left side. Awesome. So you can see the final drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on. Have a good day.